Hi everyone, Ashley here. We're going to go over my lists in your Prairie Cat account. Prairie Cat is the group of libraries that we belong to, and you will see all of these libraries show up in your catalog searches. So here we are on the main catalog page, and I am going to go up into my account, and you'll see my lists is chosen. I have a list that I made before called Cooking History, and today we are going to make an additional list. My lists is a little confusing because when you're looking at this page, there is no button to say make a new list, and there's no button that says how to make a new list. So that's why this video exists. So today I am going to make a horror club book list, and I am just going to add the book that we are reading for this upcoming December 29th, 2021's meeting, which is Come Closer by Sarah Gran. So we are going to go ahead and create our list by searching for Come Closer. And here is Come Closer by Sarah Gran. We are going to add this to our cart. So we'll click the little cart. We're going to view our cart. You'll see that I've got Harry Potter in here. We're going to ignore Harry for a minute. But over here, we're going to see on the left that Come Closer is checkmarked. Now up in this gray bar, you'll see requested, remove from cart, add tag, email, and save to list. So we're going to save to list, click that, and I am going to save to new list. So I'm going to give this a new name, Horror Club, and create. And it says it created a new list named Horror Club with 1 record. Click OK. Now I'm going to go back into my accounts, and there it is. There's my Horror Club list, and if I click on it, I will see Come Closer, a novel by Sarah Gran. It's not the most intuitive, I know, but that is how you create a new list. So let's do that one more time. Let's do, let's look up a Jane Austen book. So we're going to search for an author or a topic that we want. We'll choose one of these books and we're going to click on the little basket. We're going to add to cart. So we're not going to request it. We want it for later, so we're just going to add it to our cart. We'll click View Cart. Up here in the gray bar, we're going to click, we're going to make sure that only the Jane Austen book is selected. We're going to click Save to List. If we wanted to put this in the Horror Club or the Cooking History list, then we can choose one of those, but we're going to save it to a new list. And we'll put in Jane Austen, create, hit OK. And then when we go back to our account under My Lists, now we'll have 3 lists. So I hope that was helpful. And if you have any questions, you can send them to info@newlinuxlibrary.org or pop them in the comments. Hope you have a great day.